Meron na akong HMO benefit from my company. Do I still need to get a personal health insurance? Yes. According to statistics, after retirement, most of us become sickly. And by that time, if you are not already connected with your company, ay wala na rin ang HMO benefits mo. Diyan na magiging sobrang laking tulong kung meron kang health insurance. On average naman ay pag-iipunan mo lang naman yan for 5 years. And you will have multi-millions worth of benefits up until the age of 75. If you remain healthy naman din, then all of your savings ay ibabalik lang din sa'yo by the age of 75. It's a win-win situation. Kapatid, it's always better to be prepared than to be sorry. I will see you on my next video.